Okay, so I got this one from AliExpress. And this one is the right mirror motor for the Q7, the 4L0. So let's see if I can put this one and replace with the broken one, see if it works. And this one is the 8 pins. So it costs $102 or $12, something like that. Instead of a brand new one, the cheapest one is $260. Normally they sell for $350. Okay, the original broken one is loose and moving. So that means it's not connected to the motor. And the refurbished one, you can't move it at all. So it's connected to the motor that's working. Okay, so the motor does work, move up and down, sideways, and everything. Pretty good. Okay, so we put in reverse. It doesn't move. Now if we move it out further. Now put in reverse. It doesn't move either. So after we reset, we turn it on, put in reverse, and it moved inside, but not lower. But when we put it in drive, it doesn't come back. Anyhow, the car is old and we don't need it to work perfectly for $100.